Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make spinach dip at home. First, ensure your frozen spinach is completely thawed and squeezed dry to avoid a watery dip. Next, soften your cream cheese to room temperature for easy mixing. This simple preparation ensures a smooth, creamy texture. You'll be surprised how quickly this delicious appetizer comes together with minimal effort. For this easy spinach dip, you'll need a 10-ounce package of frozen spinach, thawed and thoroughly drained. Grab an 8-ounce block of cream cheese, softened, along with 1/2 cup each of sour cream and mayonnaise. The secret ingredient for a burst of savory flavor is 1 packet of dry vegetable soup mix. A dash of garlic powder and a pinch of black pepper will complete your ingredient list. Once all your ingredients are ready, simply combine the thawed spinach, softened cream cheese, sour cream, mayonnaise, and vegetable soup mix in a large bowl. Stir everything together until it's well combined and smooth. Make sure there are no lumps of cream cheese. Cover the bowl tightly with plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes to allow the flavors to meld beautifully. Your delicious homemade spinach dip is now ready to enjoy. Serve it chilled with your favorite dippers like pita chips, crusty bread, or an assortment of fresh vegetables such as carrots and celery sticks. For an extra touch, garnish with some chopped green onions or a sprinkle of paprika. This dip is perfect for parties or a cozy night in. And hey, while you're enjoying this amazing dip, remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.